We had local map construction come and remodel our home. We had the bathrooms all remodeled. We just were really pleased with the work that they did. I think that both Joe and Matt are very good at being innovative and kind of helping in the beginning to explore different ideas and ways of doing things at a reasonable price versus how crazy that it can get when you remodel. I have two favorites, and that would be the kitchen, because I spent a lot of time in the kitchen. We decided on Matt and Joe to be our contractors for this project because after looking at different bids and different contractors, we just felt like they were the easiest to work with and good at sharing ideas and coming up with different ways of doing things. And I just really appreciated that about them. That's really what attracted me to local maps. And then the master bathroom. I just really love the way that turned out. When I walk in there, I feel walking into the page of a magazine. I just think they did so well. The one thing that I really like about Joe and Matt, they know how to make sure that their subcontractors are doing it right. I like that they really know the business. The other thing is they know it so well that if there is a problem, they recognize it. In one of our bathrooms, there had been a slow leak in the toilet, and we didn't know that. It was like going under the tile. But when they popped off the tile, they saw the floor was really rotten underneath. It could have been a dangerous situation eventually, but they knew exactly what to do. Running into problems, they know what to do and how to take care of it. We just finished this project and we have moved to our new house, and we already have them on the books to finish the basement there. We love them so much, we're gonna keep working with them.